Hi friends, today we are going to see Goethe German B2 exam pattern. In earlier videos, we have seen A1, A2, B1. Now in this video, we are going to see B2 exam pattern. So I'll share one screen with you so you will get idea that how this B2 exam looks like. Yeah, now this is German B2 exam pattern. So this exam is of 100 points or marks, and one has to score at least 60 marks to clear the exam. This means you have to score 60% marks to clear the exam. This exam is divided into 4 modules. First one is Hören, it is listening. Lesen, second is Lesen, is reading. Third one is Schreiben, is writing. And fourth is Sprechen, that is speaking. Now you must be aware there are 4 modules in this Goethe exam. Now we'll see one by one all these modules. First one is Hören. Hören is listening. Duration for this module is 40 minutes. There are 4 Teile, meaning 4 parts. Part is called as tile. If there is one tile, it is one part, it is tile, and multiple parts, it is tiler. Tile 1. There are 5 conversations played once. 2 tasks will be there for each conversation. Tile 2. You will listen to radio interview. It will be played twice. MCQ will be there. Now in Tile 3, you hear a conversation on the radio once. Okay, so it depends actually. Sometimes it is played once, sometimes it is played twice, depending on the particular type. So here in Tile 3, it will be played just once. There will be 6 tasks and MCQ will be there. In Tile 4, you hear a short presentation twice. This time it is twice. 8 tasks will be there and MCQ will be there. Now coming to second module, that is Lesen. Lesen is reading. Duration for this module is 65 minutes. There are 5 Teile, 5 parts. Tile 1, it is suggested time for this tile is 18 minutes. It can vary a little. Suggested time is 18 minutes. You read people's views in a forum and you have to match different situations and people. 9 tasks will be there. Tile 2 is the suggested time for this tile is 12 minutes. You read an article in a magazine. 6 tasks will be there. And what are these tasks? Fill in the gaps. Then coming to Tile 3, the suggested time for this tile is 12 minutes. You are reading a newspaper article. 6 tasks will be there. MCQ will be there. Tile 4, suggested time for this tile is 12 minutes. You are reading opinions in a magazine and you have to match the sentences. There will be 6 tasks. One statement does not match. That you have to keep it in mind. Coming to Tile 5 or Tile 5, it is for 6 minutes. This is suggested time, not exact time. It can vary. Here you want to study at a university and are reading the study regulations. There will be 3 paragraphs. You have to match the headings. Now coming to third module, that is Schreiben, which means writing. Duration for this module is 75 minutes. There are Zwei Teile, two parts. Tile 1, you write a forum post. Write at least 150 words. Tile 2, you write a message. Write at least 100 words. Now coming to fourth and the last module, that is expression, meaning speaking. Duration for this module is 15 minutes. Tile 1, you will give a short presentation and discuss it with your partner. So speaking, this module is a partner-based activity. Choose one or two topics. You can choose one or two topics for this tile 1. And tile 2, you will exchange viewpoints in a discussion. That is tile 2. So this is all about expression module and altogether about this German Goethe B2 level exam. So I hope this is clear with you. I'll be coming up with more such exam related videos soon. So stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.